He was born to be king.
Look, Simba, everything the light touches is our kingdom.
I'm gonna be a mighty king, so enemies beware.
Well, I've never seen a king or beast with quite so little hair.
I'm gonna be the main event, like no king was before. I'm brushing up on looking down, I'm working on my roar. I just can't wait to be king.
There's more to being king than getting your way all the time.
There's more?
Simba, everything you see exists together in a delicate balance. As king, you need to understand that balance and respect all the creatures, from the crawling ant to the leaping antelope. We are all connected in the great circle of life.
The Lion King, coming soon to Foxtel Movies Disney.